What if the moon isn't what we think it is? What if our glowing companion in the night sky is hiding secrets so profound, so unsettling, that even NASA avoids talking about them? For thousands of years, the moon has been wrapped in myth and mystery. The Egyptians saw it as the eye of the god Thoth. The Greeks believed in Selene, who drove her silver chariot across the heavens, and Mesopotamian priests prayed to the lunar god Sin, keeper of secrets. For ancient people, the moon was not just a rock, it was alive, divine, even a gateway between worlds. Fast forward to the 20th century. Humanity finally set foot on the moon during the Apollo missions. But the official story doesn't tell us everything. Astronauts reported strange lights hovering above the horizon, unexplained flashes, and even mysterious music heard through their headsets. NASA explained it away as radio interference, but many researchers aren't convinced. And then came the shock. When Apollo 12 deliberately crashed part of its module onto the moon, the entire body vibrated like a gigantic bell. Seismographs showed it rang for over an hour. A solid, natural satellite shouldn't behave like that. Some scientists suggested the moon's interior is strangely hollow, unlike anything else we know in the solar system. That's where the hollow moon theory was born. According to this idea, the moon might not be natural at all, but an ancient megastructure, perhaps even an artificial satellite placed in Earth's orbit by someone or something. Soviet scientists in the 1970s openly speculated that the moon could be a colossal spaceship built by an unknown intelligence in the distant past. Look at the coincidences. The moon is exactly the right size and distance to perfectly cover the sun during an eclipse. Its orbit is unusually precise. It always shows us the same face, locked forever in cosmic symmetry. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would wobble, and life as we know it might not exist. Was this carefully arranged, or is it the most improbable accident in the universe? And then there are the photographs. During Apollo missions, astronauts captured strange formations, towering shapes, dome-like structures, and geometric shadows that look anything but natural. Some insiders claim NASA airbrushed or hid many of these images before releasing them to the public. Why edit simple rocks, unless they weren't rocks at all? Even the moon's far side, revealed only in the 1960s, looks completely different. Scarred, chaotic, and alien compared to the side we see. Ancient myths often described the moon as two-faced, one side benevolent, the other dangerous. Were they unknowingly describing the very reality we later confirmed with science? Mainstream scientists, of course, dismiss these theories. They say the bell-like ringing is due to the moon's dry, fractured interior, that its orbit and size, while unusual, can still be explained by natural cosmic events. But here's the question. Why did NASA stop visiting the moon after Apollo 17 in 1972? Officially, budget cuts. Unofficially? Some claim astronauts were warned not to return. So what is the moon really? A natural satellite with strange quirks? An ancient machine placed in orbit long before humanity existed? Or something even more mysterious, a relic of forgotten gods? Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the moon is watching. And maybe, just maybe, it knows something we don't.